was naughty.
Yell at her so I can film it now. Candy.
What was that? Candy.
Candy, what'd you do? What was that?
What was that? Candy.
Candy.
Candy. Candy. What was that?
I'm trying to
Hey.
be. No, it's this one.
Candy. Oh, we don't poop in the house. Pooping is naughty. You have to poop outside. You don't poop in the house. That's gross. It stinks and we don't like it. You go outside. Gotta go outside. Not in the house. We don't poop in the house. You poop outside. Don't try to smile at me. Nothing helps. Wipe that grin off your face. Look at your tail.
Wait. You know you're lying.
Are you happy about this? You think it's funny. What, Mom?
You think it's all just fun and games, don't you? Well, it ain't a game now. Because somebody's grounded. You could have been raped. Up the butt.
Up the butt.
Candy.
My face. I feel bad now. Up the butt. It's okay, Candy. Sometimes I poop in the house too. Except there's a bowl in the bathroom.
Yeah, I always poop in the house.
You don't poop in the house. Doggies don't poop in the house.
So Danny, how's life?